Software training used to mean long hours in a classroom, struggling to keep up with tech advancements. But times have changed, and so has the way we learn. Enter blended learning, the perfect fusion of traditional classroom and online learning. It combines the interaction of face-to-face instruction with the flexibility and accessibility of online resources. Join me today as we unveil the top 5 blended learning formats for software training that are transforming the way professionals acquire new skills. First up is the virtual classroom that combines the best of online and traditional learning. With real-time interaction and Q&A sessions, it allows learners to have doubts cleared immediately. Simulations are a great option for self-paced learning. They enable hands-on learning, with learners discovering the software's numerous features and complexities in a risk-free practice environment. Social learning enables professionals to connect, share insights, and solve problems. Online discussion forums allow learners to connect with SMEs and learn about the software specifications. Different microlearning formats, such as quizzes, videos, flip cards, etc., can be used for performance support. Mobile-friendly job aids enable learners access courses at their time of need. Last but not least, on-the-job training where learners benefit from the experience of seniors, gaining practical insights and hands-on experience. Thank you for joining us. Have a brilliant, blended software training. If you are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe icon right now, so you don't miss anything in the future. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with another insightful video.